growth rates that have prevailed in the south, southeast and Midlands over the last month to 6 weeks. The recommendation is to do your fodder available budgets earlier, just to get an idea of where you are in terms of situation of winter feed that's available on farm, and recognising the possibility that we might be feeding for a few more weeks on farm. So we really need to account for what fodder is available. So I'm just going to go through how you can put a fodder available budget into Pasturebase Ireland. So if you haven't done a fodder available budget before, you need to come in through your desktop. If you have done one before, it'll come up as an option on your mobile phone app with Pasturebase Ireland. So I'm just going to go through doing it on your desktop here. So you log into your desktop as normal, go to your menu on the side and go into farm management, and here it'll bring up fodder available budget. So you can see there's fodder available budgets done on this farm to date. What we're going to do is add a new one, so as if we're walking the farm again. So we have our measurement date here today. So the stock numbers, this is what we were bringing in over winter. If there's any changes to that, we alter those numbers in Pasturebase. So it'll go through first the stock that you had in already, and then you can add a new stock when we go in to edit the fodder available budget. So we'll just say next. So the length of the pit, so the last measurement was done at the end of winter, so hopefully there's been at least 2 cuts of silage to add in. So we're going to say the length of the pit is up to 10. So and the width is the same. So let's say this is up to 80. Whatever number of bales in the yard. So if you've purchased more bales, you can add this in and see where that's bringing you to. And say we didn't get a third cut, so, and that's been eaten into maybe this year, so we're just taking that out. So you can see that there's 56 days of fodder available on the farm. With meal included, there are 65 days. So this gives you an idea. If you want to add in new stock, you're just going down here to livestock details, add livestock type. So if you now have to bring through 1 to 2 year olds, you add them in, so there's plenty of them coming in. You can update your fodder budget and see what that adds to your demand. So I suppose once you can see what's available on your farm, you need to decide what actions are to be taken, and I suppose the recommendation is, assess the stock that you have. Do you need to be carrying them through over winter? Can you identify animals for culling? Can you potentially take more silage off another block? This isn't really an option at the moment, especially in lower growth areas, or can you bring in purchased fodder? So you just need to assess your options, and I suppose the recommendation is to approach your advisor and see what they think when you have your fodder available budget done.